Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. Welcome back, subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate if you did, down the bottom right hand corner. Anyway, to get into it, this is just a quick little product review of a modem router that was sent to me by my ISP. I had some niggling little problems with the one I had, so they said they'd send me this free of charge, a new one, but it is a different make and model than the one I had. So I have done some testing and I'll show you the product and then I'll give you a final roundup. Okay, this is what I got. As you can see, TP-Link AX1500. And if I open it up, here's the router as they normally look like. There is the normal amount of sockets on the back. You've got 4 LAN sockets, phone, WAN socket, etc. And apart from that, as you can see, there's the box. It's got a bracket to make it stand up, some cables, power supply, all the normal fare you get with these things. So that's it. And now we'll get to the resolution of my findings. Okay, now you've seen the product. My thoughts are this. After spending 4 hours on it trying to get it to work, it is a terrible piece of equipment. I would say if you bought one or got one sent to you, send it back, take it back. It does not work very well. In fact, on wireless it basically doesn't work at all. On a LAN connection on your desktop, no problem, works fine, get full speed. But on wireless, that's where I spent the 4 hours trying to configure it so it'd work, but I couldn't. You move 5 or 6 meters away, it won't connect. If it connects, it's very slow. I have a Google Home, it wouldn't connect. I spent hours trying to get it to connect. In the end, I gave up. Went back to my old modem, just plugged it straight back in and went back to that and everything works. So once again, as I say, I think it's a piece of junk. So thanks for watching. Once again, I said, if you haven't subscribed, think about it. Helps me out. Gets the numbers up. And I don't make any money at this point in time out of YouTube. This is just a little hobby for me. To help people out, show them stuff. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.